Okay. Tonight, you lie down and close your eyes. You wait for sleep. It does not come. You feel wide awake, too awake. Not tonight. Not ever again. Could this happen? Could be. Hello? Professor CouldBe? Sleep looks like doing nothing. Every single night, you switch off for hours. You lie there, still, boring, useless, right? Wrong. Your body does its best work asleep. It fixes you while you dream, quietly, for free. Tonight, that work stops forever. You spend a third of your life asleep. That is not wasted time. It is repair time. Your body saves it up for the night shift. Tonight, the night shift never clocks in. Day one feels easy. Just a bad night. You are tired and a little grumpy. Your eyes are heavy. Your head feels slow. You drink more coffee. You push through. We have all had this day. No big deal. But tomorrow, there is no good night's sleep. By day 3, your brain turns to fog. Words slip away. You lose your keys twice. You walk into a room and forget why. Simple things feel like hard puzzles now. Here's the strange part. Sleep cleans your brain. Yes, really, like a wash cycle at night. Every night, it washes out the junk. No sleep, and the junk just piles up. Day after day, the mess never gets cleaned. A foggy brain is a full trash can. Then your brain fights back. It steals sleep. Tiny naps, a few seconds, eyes wide open. You do not even notice them happen. That is the scary part. Please do not drive. Your brain will take what you will not give. Your body starts to feel it too. Small cuts heal slower. You catch every cold. Your body needs the night to fix itself. Everything just feels heavy and gray. The repair shop is closed and you feel it. Your tired brain starts making up little stories. You see shapes that are not really there. You hear soft sounds that nobody else hears. Sleep was quietly holding the real world together. Take it away, and things get very strange. And okay, here's the beautiful part. The most boring thing you do is secretly magic. Lying still in the dark. Free, every night. No pill, no price, no plug, just you. One good sleep fixes almost everything. You do it every night, and it is free. Which brings me to you. No sleep ever again. What would you do with all those dark hours? Read every book, or just miss your bed? All that time, and no way to rest. Tell me in the comments. I am yawning already. So, could a person really never sleep? Almost never. Your body always wins this fight. Sleep is not a choice. It is a need. It makes you sleep even sitting up. Stay up too long, and it takes over. You are not the boss of bedtime. It is. The longest anyone stayed awake was 11 days. By the end, he could barely think or talk. Then he slept for a long time and woke up fine. Your body guards your sleep like buried treasure. It simply will not let you skip it forever. So tonight, when your eyes get heavy, do not fight it. That is a gift. Every night your body gives you a free reset. Sleep well. Lucky you. Next time, you can never forget. Not one thing. Every moment you ever had. Stuck in your head forever. I'm Professor CouldBe. It probably won't happen, but it could. Subscribe before the next one.